Hi, what's up? Welcome back to me and to my channel. Thank you for all the cute, lovely responses to me and to my channel. I look bad, I look dead, but it's fine. I'm not well, but I'm trying to get my shits done because we are going out again. And I feel so happy. My life is into like trouble, but घूमना फिरना चलते रहना चाहिए ऐसा मुझे लगता है. So I thought I'll just talk with you all and do a little packing thing. So I thought I'll just vlog because it's been a long time after Goa and last we went to Bandra. I haven't vlogged like with me and myself. So I'll tell you in short, I think I'm not looking that much of a dead. I can't breathe, guys. I can't breathe. I can just breathe from here because this is not working since 2 days and I'm talking with this. How can I breathe with this? You know, it's just so hard. Whatever. So it's Friday. I'll just quickly get on point, but it's me, right? How can I get on point? Because I need to talk shits for like 10 minutes, then I can get on point. Okay, so it's Friday. I went to the office in the morning. मैं सुबह गई थी ऑफिस. कल मैंने डोलो खाया था, सिट्रिजिन खाया था. मुझे सर्दी हो गई है बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब. So I felt a little feverish, but I did not want to skip the office. मैंने बहुत छुट्टी already ले ली है, so I don't like to do that. Still, I went to the office, but I just couldn't survive more than like 3 hours. मैं रोज ऑफिस 9 बजे तक पहुंच जाती हूँ, but today I went on like 10, but I just get myself out maybe on 12. I just asked Shivani to just book the cab so I can go back and like rest because I was like I can't. और ऑफिस में एसी रहता है, इट्स लाइक सेंट्रलाइज एसी. अगर मैं कोई और रूम में भी शिफ्ट करती हूँ सो वो एसी का हवा लगते रहेगा. सर्दी मुझे इसलिए भी हुई है बिकॉज आई हैड लाइक आइसक्रीम ऑल्सो. इट वॉज अ क्रेविंग, सो आई हैड लाइक आइसक्रीम ऑल्सो, हैड लाइक अदर स्टफ्स. और इतना अच्छे रोड्स अभी बनाए थे, उन लोग ने वापस से खोद दिया है वो रास्ता. और इतना धूल मिट्टी उड़ रहा है सब, वो मेरा नाक में आँख में सब जगह गया है. सो मुझे लगता है मुझे डस्ट एलर्जी है गाइस, आई थिंक सो. So because of that also I'm like I can't function myself. Also I don't like to wear mask or like stole myself, cover myself. I just feel I like to keep myself like open, but I think I need to cover the face क्योंकि जिस रूट से मैं जाती हूँ till station and from the station to office उधर ही खोदना चालू किया है वो लोग ने. I don't know why. And the place I live, there's also the thing going on with the roads. So yeah, I can't do anything, but I have to cover myself up. Nevertheless, but मैं आई, मैंने डोलो और सिट्रिजिन खाया and I slept for like 3 hours. Now I feel like great. Also I had like a chocolate abhi. I feel more great. It's just this is not working. और गला खराब है. Rest I'm fine guys. Rest I'm fine and I'm ready to enjoy. So it's my best friend's birthday, Shivani, and it's my new friend's birthday, Prathamesh. Prathamesh का बर्थडे है 16 को और शिवानी का बर्थडे है 17 को. So we are planning like 16, 17, which is like Sunday, Monday, but Monday mostly लोगों का ऑफिस रहता है. It's a work day, so we thought we'll just do weekend plan Saturday, Sunday. And Monday, let's see what we can do. I'll vlog that too. So we are going to Alibaug, which is Vivo Palms Resort. Not a resort, sorry, it's a villa. It's a small villa. So we are 6 of them. Rasika, Jiju, Akshay, me, and Shivani. So we all 6 are going to Alibaug tomorrow, which is Saturday, and we'll come back Sunday evening. So let's see how that goes. I'm so excited, but I can't show my excitement as I'm not well. If I recollect my memory from the past, last year Shivani ke birthday pe bhi mera stomach upset tha, so I was low on energy and I did not enjoy that too. This year I am full of cold, so I don't know, but let's see. I really look bad, guys. I just look bad. I have this pimple situation going on because I just got my periods done. That's the reason I was craving ice cream, right? It's a gift. It's fine, it's fine. I just don't care. So yeah, so I was just packing stuffs. इस बार मैं ज़्यादा पैकिंग नहीं करने वाली हूँ, मैं मज़े करने वाली हूँ. लास्ट टाइम भी जो मैं इतना बड़ा सूटकेस गोवा लेके गई थी, इट डिड नॉट वर्क फॉर मी. आई एम नॉट अ सूटकेस गर्ल, आई थिंक. सो सुबह हम कल. So the meeting point for tomorrow is Rasika's house. We are gonna meet there tomorrow morning, which is like 7-7:30. देखती हूँ कौन टाइम पे आता है. कोई टाइम पे नहीं आता है, सिर्फ मैं टाइम पे आती हूँ और कोई भी टाइम पे नहीं आता है. फॉर अ चेंज जीजू और रसिका टाइम पे रहेंगे क्योंकि वो उधर ही रहने वाले हैं, इसलिए. बट इट्स फाइन गाइज, इट्स फाइन. आई बी ऑन टाइम, आई ट्राई टू बी ऑन टाइम. फिर वहाँ से वी आर गोना गो. फिर वहाँ से हम कैब करेंगे, फिर हम कैब से अलीबाग जाएंगे. देन वी विल स्टे देयर. लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल वी कैन डू. I will try to vlog there. I'm super excited. I just can't show my excitement. Okay, let's just see what I'm going to pack in my bag. I just miss my puffer jacket. अभी थोड़ी सी ठंडी है, अभी तक ख़त्म हुई नहीं है. सो वहाँ पे ठंडी हो सकती है. एंड वी आर गोइंग इनटू द पूल एज वेल. सो आई थॉट let's just pack this puffer jacket. So I'm gonna pack this puffer jacket. बाकी मैंने कपड़े लिए, एक पानी के लिए, फिर पानी से बाहर आने के बाद, और एक जाने के टाइम पे और एक आने के टाइम पे. बस उतने कपड़े लिए, मैंने ज़्यादा कपड़े लिए नहीं. I'm not gonna click more pictures, but let's see. Akshay clicks really cool pictures, so I can just trouble him out. पहले सर्दी होता है, फिर खांसी होता है. सेकेंड स्टेप इज़ खांसी. तो आई थिंक मेरा सर्दी होके चला गया है. नाउ माई सेकेंड स्टेप इज़ खांसी. दिस इज़ a pretty little kurta which I'm going to wear tomorrow while going to Alibaug. I know I should wear something casual, shorts and like shirts, t-shirts or something like that, but I don't want to. I feel like doing something nice and kurti. I might make a get ready with me also, because I wanted to make a get ready with me in a traditional tikli kind of a thing from a long time. ये मैंने already pack किया है, so I'm not going to remove the stuffs. But this chashma which came with me in Goa and now to the Alibaug. I don't have any other chashma, dude. So this is the little, come out, just come out. This is the little pouch that I'm going to take with me, which has a little perfume thing going on, sunscreen, which is very important. This is Garnier Vitamin C Serum. धूप रहेगी यार, मुझे टैन नहीं होना. मेरा गोवा का ही टैन नहीं निकला अभी तक शायद से. This is the moisturizer. This is the कंघी. This is Pond's powder, Pond's ka moisturizer, and these are 2 BB cream which I really like, and I use this on daily basis. One is for Lakme and one is from Pond's. I tend to use Pond's products more. Other than that, I don't have anything. I just have some lipsticks. Yeah, I think I'm done. Maybe a toner. Yeah, I have a Dot & Key Skincare Watermelon Pore Tightening Toner. So yeah, I'm just gonna carry the basic stuffs which I will need in this little pouch. And also I'm gonna carry this important thing with me, which is a little Vicks and my lip balm. I never thought these two can, be best friends. But they are, just for 2 days. ठीक हो जाऊंगी यार. मुझे पूल में जाना था. अभी मैं पूल में कैसे जाऊंगी? मुझे कितना ठंडा लगेगा पूल में. Oh god. I'm just gonna take this tote bag with me. ये मैंने गोवा में भी लेके गई थी और मैंने इतना सामान भर दिया था उसमें और ये टूट गया. और मैंने ऐसा घरगुती इलाज किया है इसका. इसको गांठ मार दिया है. देखो कैसे. God, I can't talk. I think I am done. If it was boring, it's fine. If it was nice, it's even fine. I just wanted to vlog and make a video and do a chit chat thing to make me feel better. I just wanted to make a video before going so I can give you a little brief. It's my best friend's and friend's birthday. We will enjoy that. God. I'll just close the vlog. We'll meet you tomorrow morning, Saturday tomorrow morning, with all my friends. They will look super cool, colorful, fresh, all positive. I'm just living for them, just living for them. Not leaving for them, just living for them. The moments, basically. Okay, guys. Bye. Do like, share, and subscribe to me and to my channel. Until next time. Bye.